The preparation and the apex are already done. You can find video links of them in the description below. Apply the base gel evenly. Keep a little gap between the skin and the product. Dip into the powder. Remember, if your application is thin, less powder can stick on. Depending on the length of your nails, you have to do more or less layers, no rules for that. Dipping until you get the thickness or strength you want. You have to do more layers on longer nails. We recommend to build an apex if you want extra strength. Link below in the description. Take off the excess powder between every layers. Do another layer of color. You can control the amount of liquid on your brush by using the built-in plastic ring in the neck of your bottle. We are doing the third layer of color with an overlay called Mermaid. We have 3 different overlays: Mermaid, Rainbow, Fairy. You can use these overlays on any solid colors to make them sparkly. If you want, you can do a layer of clear top powder to protect the glitter. If you do solid color without an overlay, the clear top powder layer is not necessary. Clear top powder is a must when you do glitter colors or chunky glitters. Do the shaping and buffing with Future Nails file and white block. Take off the dust with a makeup brush. Use the activator generously and wait a minute. It is important because the activator sets the top coat. If you do not wait enough, you can ruin the top coat brush, because the top coat reacts to the activator. Important to wait that minute. If it happens, you can buy brush savers liquid or replacement brush. Links below in the description. Use the top coat in thin layers on 5 fingers. Wait 1 minute. Do the second layer of top coat in a thicker layer. Wait 1 minute. Remember to maintain your liquids, base and top, always after you finished. You can find a video link below in the description. Apply some cuticle oil to moisturize the skin.